Imagine if from this day forward, you could wake up from wherever you want in the world and see this. Imagine if your money worries ended right now, and you could rest peacefully, knowing that you never have to dodge a bill collector again, or worry about how you're going to cover your rent. Imagine if you could be virtually retired starting tomorrow. Picture yourself traveling the world and indulging in the luxuries life has to offer. If you're like most people, you're tired of feeling like you're on the outside looking in. You're sick of working extremely hard while you watch the 1% have all the fun. For far too long, the 1% have been hoarding all the wealth. So if you want to reclaim the wealth that is rightfully yours, then listen up, because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to expose the shocking money-making secret they desperately don't want you to know. But first, I need you to close this video if you're the type of person who wants to become a millionaire in the next 5 days. What I'm about to reveal is only for serious people who want to make an extra $11,000 per month. If that sounds like you, then you were destined to hear what I'm about to say. Still here? Hi, my name is Chris Chase. No, I didn't work on Wall Street, and I'm not a genius prodigy, but it has always been my dream to work in finance. Deep down, I always knew I wanted to help hardworking people create the life they've always wanted for themselves. So when I was hired at a well-known Forex trading firm over 16 years ago, I thought I found my lifelong career. But I was in for a rude awakening. When I stepped foot into the office for my first day on the job, I couldn't wait to dive deep into exactly how the firm makes money for its clients. After all, they spoke highly of the millions of dollars their clients profited from their so-called auto trading bot. So, as you can imagine, I eagerly walked into the boss's office for my training. He shut the door behind me and told me to sit down. I expected to learn about how to profit from Forex so I could successfully manage my client accounts. But when I learned the hard truth, 9 out of 10 people will lose their life savings to Forex, he revealed with a smirk on his face. My heart sank deep into my stomach. I felt like I was going to vomit. This is not what I signed up for. I stood there, speechless. He sensed my shock and uttered, "Cheer up! This is great news for us. The more money they lose, the more we profit. You're going to be rich," he said. Without a second's delay, I walked out of that office and never stepped foot in that door again. It didn't matter that I only had $112 to my name. I know what it's like to be scammed, and I didn't want any part of it. But I do have one regret. I wish I had given my boss the finger on my way out. That's why I'm here talking to you today. What I'm about to share with you is my way of giving my ex-boss the finger. My clients call me a no-nonsense guy. So I won't waste your time with photoshopped bank account statements or insult your intelligence with a couple of fake trades. Because let's face it, you're sick of watching your money disappear to the latest get-rich-quick scams. You're tired of following gurus who have no clue what they're doing. And you've had enough of empty promises and fake results. Now imagine if you had access to a proven signaling system that allows you to siphon thousands of dollars a week from the stock market. Imagine if you could replace your salary by legally stealing money from the 1%. How would that transform your life? What I'm about to show you has nothing to do with Forex, MLM, or affiliate marketing. So let's get straight to the point. Today, I'm here to talk to you about CFDs. I've been a highly successful CFD trader for over 18 years and managed funds in excess of 80 million US dollars. So I'm no stranger to high-pressure trading and responsibility. After I lost all respect for Forex trading Autobots out there, I knew I wanted to start a trading firm that actually makes money for its members virtually guaranteed. So I became obsessed with building a signaling system that would beat any of the scams out there. I was looking for a fail-proof way to manage my client accounts while making them the greatest profit possible. With my no BS approach to trading, I knew that I could come up with a CFD trading signaling system that is unlike anything that's ever been on the market before, and one that makes profits to anyone who follows it each and every single day consistently, and puts an extra $60,000 a year in the pockets of my clients. Armed with my team of skilled programmers, I turned my dream of creating a deadly accurate CFD signaling system into reality. Why did I choose a signaling system? Because I wanted to put the power back into your hands. This high-powered system runs deadly accurate algorithms that reveals which assets have the highest winning profitability. But you get to decide if you want to run with the trade or not. This signaling system is like having your very own personal advisor whispering winning trades in your ear. It has been based on rigorous technical analysis and has been specially engineered to analyze the markets across all asset classes. But I don't just want to tell you about it. Let me show you. Here, you're looking at all the trades that our signaling system performed over the past month. As you can see, the signaling system won most trades, 122 out of 126 to be more precise, just 4 losses. What does this mean statistically? Well, the accuracy of our CFD signaling system is about 97% on average. Now, in case you didn't know, 97% is unheard of in the trading world. Now, you might be thinking, okay, maybe the system just shows some good days. Fair enough. I understand that you want to be absolutely certain about the signaling system before you invest a dime. Because, let's face it, we've all been burned before. So, I'm going to show you the trades made over the last 24 hours. Again, as you can see, the signaling system has won 9 out of 10 trades in the last 24 hours. So yes, have a look at my balance and see how easily I made $20,063.25, and all I had to do was follow the trade suggested to me by the mathematically proven algorithm. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you made over $10K in 30 days by working as little as 15 minutes a day? None of this would be possible without this system. And now I use my proprietary CFD signaling system to run a closed circle of clients that I call the CFD Society. After profiting upward of $20 million for the CFD Society and capping our membership at 200 members over the past 3 years, I'm finally lifting the velvet rope to 100 new members of the CFD Society. The first 100 people to sign up will become full-fledged members of the CFD Society and get a free copy of my underground signaling system. If you're watching this video right now, it means you have received the private invitation from myself or someone who thinks very highly of you to join these members of the CFD Society.
Hi Chris, I'm one of your early clients. My name is Liam. I'm originally from Ireland but now living in Czech Republic. For about 2 years I tried and failed to trade the binary options. But when I heard about the CFD Society, I knew I had to join. I profited $72,398 last year, so my wife was able to quit her job and stay at home with our 3 young children. And it's all thanks to you.
Greetings Chris. I'd just like to express my gratitude for the amazing research and work you've done. I worked as a science teacher at school, but have dreamed of travelling for my entire life. Now, thanks to you and your signalling system, I'm no longer tied to one place. I can just log in from anywhere in the world and travel for as long and as often as I want.
Hi Chris, I just want to say what an awesome guy you are. It's been a complete joyride ever since I joined the CFD Society. I'm so lucky to have been able to get into your inner circle, and it's been just an absolute eye-opening experience to see myself making more using the CFD signaling system than I did at my actual full-time job. So I just want to say thank you one more time.
But before you rush to enter your email and claim your membership, let me tell you who this is not for. If you're trying to become the next overnight millionaire, or if you think you can make thousands of dollars a day by doing nothing, then this is not for you. You can go ahead and close this video right now, because this is only for realistic people who want to be a part of an exclusive club of investors who enjoy an extra $60,000 a year in profits. This is for people who want to start living their best life right now. So let me ask you a question. What could you do with an extra $60K a year? Would you quit your job like Diane and stay at home full-time with your kids? Would you put that money away for retirement? Or maybe you would finally break free from the shackles of debt. You're about to get access to the only mathematically proven signaling system that allows you to fully replace your salary, even if you've never traded before. Look, you already know that this video won't be up for long. If you want to gain access to this breakthrough signaling system, then you must act now. Enter your email, click the button, and start profiting from this under-the-radar signaling system tonight. Here's what's going to happen when you enter your email and click the button on this page. You'll be taken instantly to the CFD Society's private members area. The members area is where the magic happens. It's where our members go to watch their profits grow and secure their financial future. I don't know about you, but for me, I wouldn't want to let this opportunity walk right by me and jump into the lap of the next guy in line. The same guy that will end up stealing the money that you are entitled to. I wouldn't want to kick myself later because I did not act now. You've got a decision to make. Option 1 is the risky choice where you do nothing. Let this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity pass you by and come back a week from now to see this page has been shut down for good. Well, you continue to drain your money on bad investments and fall prey to all the scams out there. Or you can take option 2, the right choice. Risk nothing. Enter your email and click the button on this page and get in on the CFD Society signaling system that has made profits for my clients to the tune of $80 million. That's right. The minute you join the CFD Society, you automatically join the ranks of the few with access to the only mathematically proven signaling system on the planet that can earn you an extra $5,000 a month. You risk nothing because you pay nothing for the signaling system. Listen closely. This is not a time for hesitation. It's a time for action. Go ahead, enter your best email and click that button. Get what everyone wants deep down, complete control over your financial future. Look, if you haven't claimed your spot yet, you're probably on the fence about your decision, and that's completely fine. I've got a very important question that I want you to ask yourself right now. What is it worth for you to never have to worry about money again? What is it worth to you to have the power to quit your job whenever you want? What's it worth to never have to be in the situation when you're wide awake at night wondering how you're going to pay your bills? When you enter your email right now, you get complete access to our proprietary CFD trading signaling system. And if you're like most members of the CFD Society, you'll soon be saying that the choice you made today was the best decision you ever made, because the CFD Society will transform your life. I've already told you that I only have 100 copies of the software to give away. Spots are filling up fast, and it looks like your reserved spot is about to expire, but I will leave you with this. The 3 most important reasons why you need to act now and enter your email are these. 1, I have to take this video down soon before someone else does. 2, you risk nothing. 3, you can make an extra $200 by the end of today the instant you click the button on this page. Let's do this. Now is the time to act. Go ahead and enter your email right now. I'll see you behind the doors of the CFD Society.